Model 1999 Fiat Ducato 2.8 HDI camper conversion engine runs fine, gearbox needs repairing or replacing. Body white, camper. Mileage 78,652. Engine 2,800 cc. Transmission 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. The gearbox will need repairing or replacing, something to do with the selector mechanism. Engine starts and sound brilliant, grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear camping area is in decent, average condition. Features: 1 former keeper, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.